there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
With smartphone companies in India locked in a race to give us the first Snapdragon 865-powered 5G phone, reports of another Snapdragon 866 5G phone are now coming in. Ahead of its launch on March 3, Black Shark 3 5G has now been confirmed to have a 4720 mAh battery and 65-watt fast charging support. A beefy battery coupled with fast charging technology that is on par with the REAM X50 Pro 5G certainly makes the smartphone appealing. But that's not all. The Black Shark 3 has been confirmed to feature LPDDR5 RAM that we recently saw on the iQOO 3 5G. But given that LPDDR5 RAM is only available up to 12GB RAM, we don't expect to see a 16GB RAM variant that has been rumored to exist. The official announcement also states that the Tencent Black Shark 3 will be the first 5G gaming phone, and its Weibo account has confirmed some of the specifications of the device. It will have a 90Hz refresh rate screen and a whopping 270Hz touch sampling rate, said to be the highest of any smartphone. The company has also shared a video where pits the responsiveness of the Black Shark 3's screen against other phones like the iPhone 11 Pro, OnePlus 7T Pro, Oppo Reno Ace, and the ROG Phone 2. We previously reported that the phone will come with the Snapdragon 865 SoC, as it was spotted on the list of smartphones planned to release with the chipset. Now, the company has confirmed it on Weibo as well. According to another post, Black Shark is using UFS 3.0 storage, along with LPDDR5 RAM, but the capacity hasn't been revealed.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy tech leak and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I upload such video regularly. Thank you for watching.